Welcome to your SeekOut Recruit free trial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to search for candidates, build a workspace, and launch your first outreach. We will also show you how to use SeekOut with an AI chatbot, such as Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Copilot using SeekOut's MCP feature. Let's start with clicking on the Home tab on the left. You have two ways to search. You may upload a job description or type directly into the search bar. We'll type in some free-form text here and assign a name to this workspace. Based on our query, SeekOut builds a search and allows us to customize it further. We'll skip the refinements for now and click Looks Good. The results are now displayed with the highlighted portions in the profiles indicating where the candidate matches your search. Results pull from public data, your connected ATS, and company alumni. Remember that ATS results are visible only if you have installed the SeekOut integration for your ATS. Notice here that SeekOut also runs an AI evaluation in the background. The AI evaluation match score tells you how closely each candidate fits the role. Click Shortlist to save the ones you want. You can now switch to the Workspace tab and click on the workspace you just created. You can now create a campaign by clicking on the Outreach tab to reach out to your shortlisted candidates. Let's create this outreach campaign. We'll name this campaign PMM Campaign and add our shortlisted candidates to this campaign. We'll use two filters to add our shortlisted candidates, public and your ATS. Now it's time to create an outreach sequence for the campaign. Here, AI will help us draft the sequence, one for all candidates. To help AI draft the messages, we'll fill in the details of the role, then the company details, and tweak the email message drafted by AI if necessary. Our sequence is ready, and we can start the sequence for the 4 shortlisted candidates. Let's now explore how you can use SeekOut from ChatGPT using SeekOut's MCP feature. Once in ChatGPT, click on Settings, then Apps to navigate to the ChatGPT Apps directory. Search for the SeekOut app. Select the SeekOut app, then connect to SeekOut using your credentials. And you're ready to start working with SeekOut in ChatGPT. We paste the job requirements for the role we're sourcing for, and the search results appear on your ChatGPT session in the familiar SeekOut template. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for joining us and learning how you can leverage the power and simplicity of the SeekOut platform for sourcing and reaching candidates.